This is Free Talk Business 3, Lesson 12 Review. What's your ultimate goal? Takuma, have you read Die with Zero by Bill Perkins? Yes, I have. It really changed the way I think about money and time. Same here. One thing that stood out was how he talks about diminishing returns on money as you age. Right, like how spending $5,000 on travel in your 30s gives more benefit than spending it in your 70s. Exactly. You typically don't have the same energy or freedom later in life. That's why he says we should invest in experiences while we're still young enough to enjoy them fully. I totally agree. I used to think saving everything for retirement was the smartest path. But now it feels like you can live just as well if you enjoy life along the way and still be responsible. Yes, as long as we don't blow our savings on stuff that doesn't matter. That's the balance, isn't it? Spend wisely, but don't wait too long for the good stuff. I'm thinking about adjusting my early retirement plan to allow more travel in the first 5 years. Good idea. We should enjoy the time we have before the returns start to shrink. Let's plan a trip together then. Make some memories while we still have the energy. Okay, thank you very much. That's all. Well done. Good job. Thank you so much. See you again.